Hello everyone, I'm Peng Tu. I'm the CEO of Posifa Technologies. Today, I would like to give you a preview of our vacuum gauge product that we will launch at the end of this month. This vacuum gauge, part number 6116, has a KF16 fitting and a 0 to 10 volt analog output through an industry standard RJ45 connector. This vacuum gauge will be the most affordable one on the market, and it is so easy to use. First, allow me to demonstrate the plug-and-play compatibility of this vacuum gauge with vacuum gauge from major brands such as Inficon, Labeled, MKS Instruments, and Edward Vacuum. Here I have a Inficon vacuum gauge PSG500 and PVC6116 connected to the same pump. Here I have a Inficon controller with two inputs. The one, channel 1 is connected to Inficon vacuum gauge, and channel 2 is connected to the Posifa gauge. As I turn on the pump, you will see the two gauges track each other as the vacuum goes from atmosphere to about 10 micron, which is the lower limit of this pump. And you can also see the Inficon controller recognize the PVC6116, showing you the plug-and-play compatibility. Now I'm going to turn on the pump, and let's look at this gauge readings. So as you can see, the controller recognizes both gauges, and the two gauges provide readings that track each other very well. Now it is 35 micron, and now I'm going to turn off the pump. As you can see, as vacuum level rises, the two still track each other. And I'm going to turn on the pump again. Okay, very well. Now, let's see how they track each other on their way up to the atmosphere to accelerate their going up. I'm going to open the valve a little bit. Here you can see the Inficon gauge loses sensitivity as it approaches atmosphere and over the range, but Posifa gauge still provide reading. As I open it all the way up, now we're backing up to the atmosphere. All right, so that concludes our demonstration for plug-and-play compatibility.